Hello friends, I'll be doing a quick lesson for the song Maeri from Euphoria. It's a guitar lesson. I'll teach you how to play the intro, the riff, the chords, how to strum and the various parts including chorus, verse and the bridge. Alright, stay with me. So I also might play the song in the meanwhile so that we can figure out the parts and look at every aspect. And yeah, let's get started. The intro riff I just played goes as you have to start playing the D sus2 chord, and now the D sus2 chord goes as you have to take the chord D simply, okay, and then take off the middle finger from the first E string, the high E string. So now you're left with D open, G2, B3 and E open. Alright, and now I'll tell you the string numbers which you have to pick or plug. You can use finger style the way I'm using, or you can use a plectrum if you choose to. Okay, I'll just show you how to do that with plectrum. So string number 4, 3, 1, 2. I prefer doing with this finger style. Okay, string number 4, 3, 1, 2, 1, 2, and after this we change the chord to C add 9, which goes as string number 5, that's A string, A3, you have to press A3 and leave the G open, keep the B3 on there, keep it pressed B3 and E open, and now you will pick the string numbers 5, 3, 1, 2, 5, 3, 1, 2, 1, 2, 5, 3, 1, 2, 1, 2. And next you're going to a G chord called a G6 chord. Okay, you have to press the low E3, 3rd fret, and now it goes as string numbers 6, 3, 1, 2, 1, 2, 6, 3, 1, 2, 1, 2, and then back to D sus2 and play it the same way. String number 4, 3, 1, 2, 1, 2, 4, 3, 1, 2, 1, 2. That is precisely the intro is. And now when the song starts in, I'll call it verse. I'll prefer to play this instead of doing the chords or strumming. I'll prefer that you keep playing this riff while it sings Bindiya lagati do. That's twice D sus2 and twice C and 9, and repeat that. So D sus2 again. La 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 la. And now after this, when the line comes, so I'll play the song so that we can keep the track what we're gonna play. One moment, here we go. That's the intro. What I'm listening to right now, I don't know if you can probably listen to that. It's on YouTube. I'm playing this song. C. Now that's D, A, C. That's kind of a pre-chorus thing. So that's D, and then A, C, G, and we do this twice, so we do that again. So chorus. So what we do in the chorus, what do you play? I'll take up this strumming pattern, which is very common. The universal strumming pattern is 1, 2 and 4, down, down, up, down. Okay, so the chords are, I'll keep the D sus2 and then going to C add 9. You can take a C chord in here, but I still prefer to stay on the C add 9. La 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 la. Now a B flat. Yaad wo, that's only one bar, and then go back to C or a C add 9. Yaad wo I, D chord, D sus2 precisely. So it goes as, the complete chorus goes as D sus2 2 bars, and then C at 9 2 bars, and then it's B flat C at 9 D sus2 2 bars. Again la 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 la, C at 9 B flat chord C at 9 D sus2 2 bars. Okay, the chorus kicks in again. You have to play the same stuff. Instead of doing the earlier, what you did was playing the riff. But now since the rhythm is built and is getting in flow, the drums are kicked in, or whatever percussion instruments are, I recommend playing the rhythm, Keep strumming. D chord, D sus2, 4 bars of this chord, C at 9, 2 bars. And C chord and a G, D sus2, A chord, C chord and G. And now the chorus kicks in back again. Similar chorus. Na 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 na. And then the C at 9 is this. And then it's B flat 1, C at 9, and then D sus2. D again 2 bars. And it's C chord 2 bars. And then it's B flat, C chord, and then it's D for 4 bars. Now comes a kind of a twist. We can refer to as a bridge. C chord, ka se kahun G, oh maeri. I'll use a D sus2 throughout. Okay, no D minor, no D major. So that's ab kya karu, 2 bars C chord, G chord, 2 bars, D chord, 4 bars. Again, C chord 2, ka se kahun, 2 bars, hey maeri, 4 bars. And then the instrument kicks in. If you like to play that, I'll give you the notes. It's very simple. C D D C D E E D C D D D D C D D C D E E D C D D D D. All right, and C D D C D E E G E E E G E D C C D D C D E E D C D D D D. And then the next part, I'll have to listen to it now. Okay. Duniya par aaye. That's a D chord continuously. No changes. 5 bars. Chhod ke aaja. Now a G chord. Ek bari aaja. So I did 8 bars of D chord and 4 bars of G chord. Now I'm going to B flat. Ab ke mile to. That's 2 bars of B flat and back to D. Honge na juda, na juda. That's an A chord, okay? So na juda. G chord. Na juda. 2 bars of A, 2 bars of G. And back to back to the chorus. D chord 2 bars, C add 9 or C 2 bars, and then it's 1 bar of B flat, 1 bar C chord, back to D 2 bars. Yeah, pretty, that's it. Okay, so you can keep on playing this chorus till fade out, I mean till the end. And la 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 la, C 2 bar, C at 9, maeri, B flat, and the C, and then a D. Ab kya karu, C, ka se kahu, G, hey maeri, D sus2. Stick to D sus2. I'll recommend that, guys, strictly. Okay, in avoid to any confusion. Essentially, it should be it's probably a D major scale, not a D minor scale. But sometimes it gives a feeling of going to D minor stuff. Okay, so but they're not really sure. So we want to stick to a neutral chord. We call it D sus2. It's neither minor nor major. Okay. If you have any questions regarding any theory or the scale or how is it going to B flat chord and going to A and G, what's the chord progression? You can just let me know in the comments or maybe through email or some other mode. Alright, great. Thanks for watching the lesson. If you like it, please subscribe, like, comment and share. That will be all for the day. Thanks. Bye bye.